Hello, student programmers. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of database management and authentication using MongoDB and Mongoose in a Node.js application. Understanding how to implement user authentication is a key skill for any web developer, as it allows you to protect resources and ensure that only authorized users can access certain parts of your application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect to a MongoDB database, create and authenticate users, and manage sessions using JWTs, JSON Web Tokens. So gear up for an enriching session, and now let's dive into the code. We start our journey with the inclusion of necessary modules such as Express, Mongoose, bcrypt, and JSON Web Token. Each of these plays a crucial role in our application. Express, a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features to develop web and mobile applications. We initiate an Express application and use middleware to parse JSON request bodies. Mongoose, an object data modeling (ODM) library for MongoDB and Node.js. It manages relationships between data, provides schema validation, and is used to translate between objects in code and their representation in MongoDB. bcrypt, a library to help you hash passwords. Hashing passwords is crucial for security, as it transforms the plain text into a format that cannot be easily decrypted. JSON Web Token, JWT, a compact, URL-safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. In the context of authentication, it is used to create access tokens for an application. The Connect to MongoDB function is our gateway to the MongoDB database. We use Mongoose's connect method to establish a connection to our database. This setup involves a try-catch block to handle any errors that might occur during the connection process. Next, we define the create user and login user functions, which handle the sign-up and login functionality of our application, respectively. In create user, we first hash the user's password using bscript. This hashed password is then used to create a new user document in our MongoDB database. If the process is successful, the new user's details are returned in the response. In login user, we authenticate the user by finding the user document with the provided username and comparing the provided password with the hashed password stored in the database. If the authentication is successful, we generate a JWT for the user, sign it with a secret key, and send it back to the user. Finally, we set up our Express application to listen for requests on port 3000 and connect to our MongoDB database upon starting the server. In this tutorial, we explored the real-world implementation of MongoDB using Mongoose alongside authentication concepts in a Node.js application. We covered important programming concepts such as extensibility by designing our application in a way that makes it easy to extend with new features. Reusability by creating modular functions that can be used across different parts of the application. And efficiency by ensuring our code is optimized for performance and security. Remember, understanding how to implement authentication correctly is vital for protecting sensitive information and providing a secure user experience. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.